Today I have a little special thing for the Accord. Mad JDM steering wheel with an blue energy hub, and that's there. So yeah, Accord's out there. It's poking out. But yeah, I'm gonna go bring it up here, disconnect the battery, wait for like 15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Yikers. So this steering wheel is just a tiny bit smaller. It fits like probably right here on the original steering wheel. It goes all the way around like that. So it's not too much of a difference. It won't have this fat airbag, and I'll no longer have these controls, but these ones don't work anyway because I have this aftermarket stereo in. So this cruise control would probably be the only thing, but I don't think it really matters because I could either wire that up like right here or something, but I don't really use it, so you know, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and move closer since it's a little rainy out here today. But yeah, we're gonna move over there and then get this shit done. Okay, we're up here now. Yeah, pop the hood there. Go ahead and disconnect the battery. Okay. Okay, there it is. Alright, so we had 10mm bolts here and here, but guess what we didn't have in our toolbox? Oh, look at that. But 10mm is gone. So I use this ratchet, the mini ratchet, 10mm here, small ratchet here, very tiny. But yeah, now that that's off, we're gonna give it about what, 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so we want to do that just so the airbag doesn't like blow up on us when we take it off of the car and, you know, kill ourselves or something. So here's this and this. And I need an Allen wrench, which we have tons of here. So I'm gonna find the right size. It's pretty tiny actually. So, alright, so because I bought these aftermarket, I don't know if these mini screws and then this bigger screw is supposed to be like, or if they're all supposed to be uniform. I'm not sure about that, but I mean, that one's longer, so I mean, it keeps it secure, keeps the hub secure. I mean, of course we got this. I'll take this last one out, and then yeah, I'm glad that the wheel itself has already been pre-installed. Also, it's a got these little JDM stickers on it. It's pretty lit, so that'll be cool. Alright, so right now I'm taking out the torque screw, and it is very tight in this car. Got Cannon here, peep the boy, yeah. But yeah, this is a pain in the ass. Like, it is so hard to turn. Oh gosh. Yeah, so I'll let you know when that's out. Aha! We got it. So we had to remove these little pins from the airbag and snap off a disconnector for the horn, I believe, and then now we took out this little white part from in here. See if we can get that right there. Now we have to take this nut off, and I think that's a 17. I'm gonna go check. But here's the airbag right there. Cool. Oh, perfect, right here. Oh, perfect. And then I think we need an extension, so I'm gonna grab that too. Come on. Aha. Whoa. Extension. Try that out. Yeah. Okay. Back in here. See if that fits it. I think that'll fit it, right?
Nope.
No? Is it too big?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Currently trying to... Oh! Knock it loose. Get our bolt on there so that it doesn't just fly off when we
you come right.
I guess I'll try it. Pretty tight on there. Okay. Yeah. Swapperoni. Oh yeah, you already know. Alright. Let's see what happens, I guess.
It's wiggling a whole bunch. There you go.
It's off. Now we just Uh-oh. More cables. What?
I think it should be the horn, actually.
Oh, there we go. It's this thing. Yeah. Ah. Oh.
Is it the horn or
No, it's
just the whole assembly?
Yeah. I can't get it out. What? Through the hole.
Nice. Yeah, there you go.
Wow. So we're gonna exchange this one down here with this one up here. I'm gonna get this on first. This is the part, and then this part. I think we need this Allen wrench as well. So pocket that. Pocket these mini ones. These bolts. And then this should be okay. Should be good. Let's try that again. Okay. Back in here. This is really big, so I don't know if it'll fit, to be honest. Okay, so I guess this is how you do it. You push it through the hole back here, and then you put the nut in. If I can get this in. Yep, and then this sits, you know, right here. Goes in. Cool. Cool. And then we got our hub aligned. Hopefully that's the right. Yep, should be right. And yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah, and it decided to pour rain while it's kind of like decently bright out. But oh, I'm gonna run over here to get this done real quick. So basically, I got this portion plugged in. So I think what needs to happen is, see, that's weird. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so it's finally done. Apparently it wasn't, the horn wasn't working earlier because, not because I didn't do the wiring right, but because when the guy put the steering wheel on the hub, he didn't even connect the fucking horn wire. So basically I was sitting there like, no horn? Okay, fuck you, alright, cool. But yeah, no, I'm putting the rest of the caps back on now. Okay. So right after this I'll show you the quick release and all that. Rip. Here. There we go. So that goes on very nicely. And it works, so that's cool. Might have to do a new wrap on this sometime, but I'm not sure about that. So that'll wrap up the steering wheel for the Accord, and we're probably going to change this very soon. We're probably going to throw this wheel over to Zahn, and yeah. So we'll probably be installing a different wheel, but we're going to keep the short hub and everything else. So yep, catch you all next time. Bye-bye.